So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro, see what's inside the box, and yeah, I just got it yesterday from the Apple Store, and this is the 16 Pro, the black titanium with 256 gigabyte storage. Yeah, and before that, I used to use the iPhone 30 Pro Max. If you are able to see it, yeah. So this was my phone, my first iPhone, which I bought 2 years ago when I came to Canada, and until yesterday I was using this. So to save some money, I want to tell you, you can make a trade-in, which means if you have an older version of the iPhone, you can just take it and trade it in to save some money so you can get the new iPhone. So I like trading the older version of my iPhone, which is a iPhone 30 Pro Max, and save some money to buy the new one. So that's a way to go to save some money, and I hope that's going to be helpful. And with all further ado, let's jump into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Okay guys, so let's start the unboxing. The box looks like this, as you can see. The packaging is amazing as always. Apple do this perfectly. So let's slowly unpeel the sticker. Just like that, and the bottom too. Okay. I'm gonna put that one up there. Yeah, so as I mentioned, I have the black titanium colorway. The saying, once you go black, you never go back. So I'm gonna stick with the black. So this is the Pro version, and honestly, it's not that big than my previous iPhone 30 Pro Max. We have the USB Type-C cable, and we have the SIM injector tool as well, because we are in Canada. And we got some paperwork. Yeah, that's it. They keep it minimalist as much as possible. So this is the paperwork, and that's what you get from the box. It's pretty thick. This is the USB-C cable. They don't have the sticker this time. My iPhone 30 Pro Max didn't have the USB-C. It was using the old Apple's USB cable. So this is both USB-C. And let's unpeel the cover. Damn. Wow. This looks pretty cool, I swear. Shit. You can see the edges. Damn. So cool. We have the new button here. It's a camera button, if you are able to see it. Yeah. we have the action button. So this is the iPhone 16 Pro, guys. Let's turn it on. The screen looks sick if you are able to see it. Damn, the edges are amazing. Hello. So I'm really excited what the iPhone 16 is gonna bring for us with the new chip inside. Only the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have the new A18 chip inside. So performance wise, I hope it's gonna be more efficient than the previous iPhones, and we'll find that in the future. So guys, I just finished up like backing up all my files and everything. So this is how it looks. This is a new iPhone 16 Pro. Honestly, for me is pretty amazing because I was using the iPhone 30 Pro Max, as I told you earlier, so I saw a lot of changes on this latest iPhone 16, especially like the design. The edges are smooth, like it's more thinner, and the screen is wider and everything. So yeah, the unboxing experience is this as you saw it so far. So yeah, so I'm gonna test the iPhone and like do a lot of videos with it, and we're gonna see the camera button too, you know. The camera is very amazing this time. Honestly, it's very modified for me. And one thing I forget is I have here the Spigen Ultra Hybrid mic case, which I bought from Amazon, and let's see if it fits in for the new iPhone 16 Pro. The design looks sick, honestly. You will see how it looks. I just ordered it online from Amazon, so this is how it looks. Damn. So yeah, it's a magnetic case for, so it looked like this. Spigen. I will put the link down in the description. You can buy it on Amazon. It's only $16. I bought it for $16. So okay, let's unpeel it. Wow, it looks pretty amazing, the design and all of that. This thing, like it even have a sound. Okay, so now let's put the iPhone here. Wow, it perfectly fits in. So this is how it looks. dope. Let me know if you like the case, because I love it. Yeah, it's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagSafe. Oh yeah, let's see the camera button if it works with the case on. Let's put this here and yeah, shit. It perfectly works with the case too, because it has this here, this wide opening for the camera button. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, so like, share and subscribe this channel, support my channel. Until I see you next time with more iPhone 16 Pro reviews, like customization and all of that, testing the camera, all of that. I'll be back with those videos soon. I hope you like it. Until I see you next time, signing out. Peace.